Hello, you guys. I had done the unboxing on my Instagram page already. So everything is all unwrapped. However, I wanted to share everything with you guys so you know what is coming. Once again, here are the care instructions that comes with Sophistications thingies. So there is that. And then, I just dropped it on the floor, but I'm not even going to pick that up. Okay. My back is not happy. So I will start off with these guys right here. I am finally trying to get on the mini bath bomb train. So I wanted to do these to go along with my Sleepy Time collection. I have the bath bomb and the bubble bath sprinkles. So now I want to offer some minis, and these will be packed with color. And I don't know, I kind of feel like, they shouldn't just be one color. Like I need to do multiple different, like maybe I'll do all three of the colors, the soft purple, blue, and teal in all of them, because I think it would be boring to have them just one color. I don't know. We'll get there. So there's that. And then I also got I guess that wouldn't matter to go upside and I don't know. But everything that I order, I try to order the largest possible size that they have to offer. And I do believe, based upon looking at all these ones, that whether this is 3 inches wide by 3 inches wide, this is going to be her standard size, for ease of fitting in your hand and stuff. And then she'll just fit as many images in there as she can. So for her, this is the biggest size that you would be able to get. This is the small one and the large one. And I want to get, personally, I order them all on, all large on one and all small on one. So this is super interesting, but I'm just going to show you how I did my order. And you see all the highlighting and all the marks and all of the things. Yes, I love her so very much, because I could just be like, I want these things, please, and thank you. So I ordered this cat one because I wanted to do this one for Halloween. And I really loved this, that it's a full size with his little tail. I am so hoping that his little tail comes out on all of the sprinkles, because that is just so cute. And then, I guess let's do the gnome one next. I still am so amazed at how she figured out, can you see that? That's what it's going to look like in the end. And the fact that she figured all that out of how, oh my God. So I can see a lot of different gnomey things, maybe the gnomes and the flowers, because it could be here, find the gnomes. I don't know, but I feel like I had to have the gnomes, and we'll figure out something to do with them. Same thing with this tulip mold. That is just crazy when you break this whole thing apart. I don't know how her brain worked to figure these things out, but I absolutely love it. So this one is the daisy one. And once again, I ordered the small and the large. So this one's a little bit harder to tell how it comes out, but it basically just gives that center impression. So it looks like a little daisy. I'm so excited for all the details. And then this is a full size of the small one. And I like doing it this way just because when I make them, I want to make massive amounts of them all at one time and be able to choose, say I want all red for my big flowers and all blue for my small flowers, or whatever. So I prefer to have them that way, but she does also have them where you have small and big mixed together. These ones I am going to be putting out there for my make your own bath bomb kits. The idea is that I'm going to put some in-bed bars down in here to power the little cloud that way. And then for here, I want to put all of the embeds on this side, so that way it will power this way as all the colors are streaming behind. We're going to see how that works out. This is just a little thing that I ordered. I have the multi-sphere mold, and it comes with like little pieces that help you demold it faster. And just in case I had a little bit mix left, it's harder to compact just one using that multi. So I asked her if she could make me a sleeve for that one. That way I can just stick the little guy in there, pack it, and do. And so this one would be the same as all of the rest of them would be. Because you can totally just take the top and bottom of that sphere and push it together, but then it doesn't have the same Saturn ring as the rest of them do. And then all of these are what I ordered to be able to have as retail on my site. And I did not only put a link to, that's something to note, that this side has like a small side and that side has a big side. So the big side goes in there. Yeah, that's using your smarts. So I did leave a link to her website from mine, just to say if you wanted to custom order any of these, then you can order them directly from her. Because if they wanted, a green heart or a blue heart or whatever, then they could be able to do that versus what I have physically in stock color wise. This is super freaking gorgeous, and I really hope that she continues to use this material, because could you imagine? I mean, they're just so pretty to have them printed in that, like, so gorgeous. And then this is little star. You can see all of those details are just amazing. Oh, I guess let's stop with that one. Go with this one. This is the butterfly. This one has already been spoken for, so it will not be on the site as an option. But all of those fine details really make the bubbles come out more. Whether you want to put a bubble scoop in here or whatever, they're just so gorgeous. So this one is a shower steamer that I had gotten to be able to test out when I'm making the shower steamers. I want to make sure that it fits into the confines of this and see how well this does in my shower for placement and product testing before I actually launch any of those. But this, again, like, it is so pretty. So in the future, the videos that I will be doing will include all of these different molds. If there is anything that you would specifically like to see or know more details about, please let me know. I'm going to try to link every single one of these in this video if you saw anything that you would like to pick up as well. And the car, I'm gonna put the link, because I'm not gonna grab the card off from the floor. I'm sorry, you guys. So I will put the link to her website if you would like to order anything. She is absolutely amazing. Don't wait. Have a good night.